Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone on here. So, problem I'm going to be attempting today is 1859 sorting the sentence. Just going to read out the spec. A sentence is a list of words that are separated by a single space with no leading or trailing spaces. Each word consists of lowercase and uppercase letters, English letters. A sentence can be shuffled by appending the one indexed word position to each word and then rearranging the words in the sentence. For example, the sentence "this is a sentence" can be shuffled as sentence 4 A3 is to this one, or is to sentence 4 this one A3. Given a shuffled sentence S containing no more than 9 words, reconstruct and return the original sequence. Okay, so constraints. Length of S is between 2 and 200. Okay, so there's going to be no more than 200 characters and no less than 2. S has lower and uppercase English letters, spaces, and digits 1 through 9. The number of words in S is between 1 and 9. The words in S are separated by spaces, and there's no leading or trailing spaces. Okay. Just gonna go over to my notes and write down some ideas. So, given this here, just gonna write down some ideas. So, off the top of my head, what I'm gonna do is create an array with 9 slots, just because there's a maximum of nine words. And then what we can do, what we're going to do is we're going to split into words, iterate through each word, then we're going to check last letter in word, which will be a number, say character. Put word excluding number into its relevant slot. Then we're going to iterate through created array appending words to a string. Let's go with that. Let's try this. So, just gonna copy these notes into here and attempt it. So, output, or yeah, no. Let's just say 9 slots is equal to none times none times 9. I think that's the right syntax, but I'm not entirely sure. Yep, that's right. So, iterate through each word. So for word in, or can you split on... There's a way to separate a string into words. There's a way. I'm gonna look it up. Python split string into words. Okay, it's dot split. So words is equal to s dot split. And then we're gonna do for words, for word and words. Um, 9 underscore slots dot insert at slot word at index -1, and then we're gonna go from, we're gonna insert word slicing from 0 to length of word. I think this should be correct. I'm just going to print it just to make sure. Closing parenthesis does not match opening parenthesis. Oh, yep, here. Hmm. Zero to -1. There we go. So it's going to be here. So we've got to cast this to an integer as well. And at the end of all of this, if we print 9 underscore slots, we should get our string in the correct order. Yep. And it's 0 indexed, so we're just going to do -1. And then we're going to do for word in, we're going to say for slot in 9 underscore slots, we're going to do output is going to be equal to an empty string. Output plus equal slot, and then we're going to do return output dot trim, hit run. So plus equals if slot isn't equal to none. Okay. Strip, yep. And So this goes to index 0. A goes to index 2, 0, 1, 2. Is should go to index 1. Okay, this is 1, sentence 4. This 1, A3 is 2. I don't understand why this is failing. Just gonna check how the insert works in Python. Yep, position and element. So insert into position 1 is, so 0, 1. Everything looks correct. Sentence is 3, so 0, 1, 2, 3. Seems to be something up with this. One, two, three, four, five. Oh, it shouldn't be insert. It should be. I should just be directly replacing the whatever the index is. So this index is going to be equal to this. This should work. Okay. And hit submit. Let's hope this works. Accepted. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope this was useful to you in some way. If it was, please let me know, or if there was maybe some other solution you had to this which was a bit more efficient. Yeah, please leave a comment down below. I love discussing these things, and yeah, thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.